Good evening. Thank you for stopping by the channel today. Check out the video. It's B3570 coming back with another upload for you today. And what we have here is we are starting to get parts in for the scat pack build. I got a little anxious and unboxed the cat back because I wanted to see what it looked like. But we have the Borla Attack catback system that I had already unboxed, so sorry about that. Was gonna unbox everything at once, but we still have one more unboxing, one more special little tidbit here to bring to you, and that is these bad boys. What is inside this box here? Oh yeah, got some good stuff here. Vibrant Performance, professional fabrication components. Comes with that. Woo-wee. Got some Stainless Works koozies, all the hardware that we need right there. And also O2 sensor extensions for, you bet it, you guessed her. Gonna pull out the headers here. Got attachments and extensions there. Oh my goodness. Pull out all these good old pieces here. All right, she is starting to come full circle. Got all of our clamps here in her bag. By the way, this is my first time seeing him too. I peeked open because I wanted to see if I could get a little bit of a look at it without, getting it out of the box, because I wanted to see what they look like. But it doesn't quite matter. And everybody who's looking at this and saying, oh, Stainless Works headers, in the last video you said you're getting cooks. Well, I changed my mind, talked to some people there, and it was going to take a lot longer to get the cooks headers in, and I wanted it sooner than later. So they called me after that and went over some other options, and these were the options we came up with. So I was okay with it. They were cool enough to get a hold of me and let me know about the, almost a month delay. So awesome about that. So we have our cats here, which is cool because these cats here, they're bolt up, so we can go, you got it, we can go catless or catted. Probably go catless. Here's the other one. Looks good, just the same. And here's the part that we've all been waiting for. Oh yeah. Ugh. Get some of this out of the wrapper here. Oh yeah. Let me see if I can find my blade here quick. But anyway, these are going to look super sweet. I can already tell. These dikes will work. Can't find my knife. Sorry about the sniffing and the tone in my voice. I'm just getting over being very sick, which I didn't know if I was going to be able to make it out here to even do this video, but I wanted to show you something, and I got a little tired sitting on my couch. Come on. So, don't quite have the tools I want to open this, but we're figuring her out. I just wanted to see him too, so exciting. Time is upon us, and I'm gonna go in after this, make the phone call and get the supercharger and the pistons ordered. Sorry for keeping this on camera. There we go. Now let's do this other side. It is gonna be a short but sweet video, but I hope y'all are enjoying the looks of this, in case y'all out there are following the Scat Pack build and are wondering what parts I'm going with and the parts that, I don't know what I was gonna say there. But anyway, if you're all following the Scat Pack build and maybe want to be doing this, show you some options that are out there. This kit looks like it's pretty good quality stuff from what I'm seeing so far. So overall, I'm happy with the quality. Of course, Borla, you know, top brand in the exhaust industry, and you know, I just looking at it, it's Borla quality. Really good top of the line stuff. And I can't wait to hear what it sounds like when it's on the car. Which I did find out, surprise, surprise, there's already a Borla kit on the car, just not the Attack. So kind of a waste of money, kind of not. It does make a big sound difference between the Attack and the Type S. It's gonna give them more aggressive tone, but the Type S is what's on the car right now. And I'm putting the Attack on, and also this has active exhaust, and the one I'm putting on has the active exhaust delete. So it is going to be a bit louder. We're almost out of the bubble wrap here, folks. Give me 1 second. Oh, buddy. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Look at these pearlies. All right. There we are, folks. Look at them. 1 7/8 inch and a 3-inch collector. Good quality stuff. Happy with what I had gotten and what I received. So, all in all, super stoked about all that good stuff. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna try to get out sometime soon and get these installed, and you know, it's gonna be magical. The other one's still in the wrapper. Oh, but anyway, this build is gonna be coming full circle a lot sooner than anticipated. Not saying it's a bad thing, but I'm super excited and ready for the old girl here to get a little bit of a pick-me-up as far as the power side of things. So we are going to be keeping you updated as far as when parts are coming in and how they're coming in and what they look like. I will open the boxes, although I'll probably be taking it to a shop to get the supercharger installed. But yeah, as far as that goes, we'll open the box here, show you everything inside. And also gonna be ordering some more parts tonight aside the supercharger and the pistons. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get a vinyl tint kit for this. We're gonna go all black in this center section here and in the headlights up front. So I'll be looking forward to that and excited. And then also the carbon fiber ground effects here. We are going to be getting our side splitters, side skirts, whatever you wanna call them, right on here to complete that look around the car, full carbon fiber around the bottom. So it's gonna look pretty sick. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are enjoying the project of the Scat Pack so far, even though nothing has really been done yet. We're going down later this week to get the headers put on and the cap back, and it's gonna sound nasty. So we will keep on bringing the updates as there's updates to bring to you. So I hope y'all are enjoying the content. But anyway, thank you for stopping by. Hit that thumbs up button, follow the build, hit that sub button as well. And we're gonna be bringing more to this build to you as there's information to be brought to you. So I hope you enjoy your night. Enjoy.